Okay, 2022 is here and I'm gonna show you the latest Facebook trick on how to add music in your Facebook profile. This trick is only going to work on your Facebook app and not the Facebook Lite app, okay? So make sure you have the Facebook app and not the Lite version. My name is Jatin Kumar and you're watching TechTech channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add music to your Facebook profile. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, find your Facebook app and open it. Make sure it's not the Lite version as Facebook Lite doesn't support this feature, okay? Now you need to click on the profile section. This is my profile and you can follow me on social media if you like this video, okay? Hashtag please follow me, please. Now scroll down a little and you will find the music option. Just like I'm doing, click on it. Now here you need to click on this plus icon, okay? Here, you can choose music that Facebook recommend or you can just search the music that you want. You can also search by song name or by artist name. In my case, Ed Sheeran. Here, I'm gonna use one of my all-time favorite song, Perfect. Don't judge me, okay? It's my favorite, it's my video, not yours. You can play the music by clicking on this icon or you can select the music by selecting its name, okay? Now select the music that you want. Now you just need to go back to your profile section, okay? Just go back to your profile section. Now you need to refresh your profile section and click on the music section, just like before. Now this time around, your music that you have selected will be here listed, okay? Now click on the music. You can also listen to song by clicking on this section, okay? I can't show you the song because due to copyright issue, but the song is playing, okay? Now to add this music to your profile, click on these three dots, okay? Just like I'm doing. Now click on this pin to profile option, okay? This will pin the song on your profile. This is how you can add music to your profile. That's it guys. If you like this video then follow me on Instagram and Twitter. If this video helps you then please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, okay? Many of you guys don't subscribe to the channel, please subscribe. It helps to keep motivating me to make these kind of videos. So please subscribe. Now that's out of the way. I will see you in the next video guys. Thanks for subscribing. I know you have subscribed. Please subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye. See ya.